Morning dear children. So dear children, our today's topic is addition and subtraction of time. Okay. So in our previous video we learnt about addition and subtraction of time. Yes, we learnt about addition and subtraction of time in hours and minutes. Okay. And today we will learn about addition and subtraction of time in hours, minutes and seconds also. Okay. Today we will learn how we can add and subtract hours, minutes and seconds. Okay. So let us take some examples from your exercise and solve some questions. So our first example in addition of hours, minutes and seconds is we have to add 5 hours, 45 minutes and 25 seconds with 3 hours, 36 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay. So let us start of addition of seconds. Okay. You have to add first as it is. Okay. The method and the steps are same as we did in hours and minutes. Okay. The method and steps are same. Okay. First we have to add as it is. Okay. 25 plus 38. Okay. 5 plus 8, that is 13 and 1 will go as carry. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5 and 1, 6, 63. Okay. Now 63 is greater number than 60. So what we have to do? I have told you that we have to divide it with 60, because if our sum is more than 60, then we have to divide it with 60. Okay. If the number is more than 60, then we have to divide it with 60. But if it is less than 60, then there is no need to divide it with 60. But here it is 63. So here we have to divide it with 60 now. Okay. So divide it with 60 like this. 60 ones are 60. Okay. 3. 1 hours, 3, sorry, it will go as minute and it will come as our answer as in second. Okay. So now we have to rub it and we have to write here 3. Okay. Now 1 will go as carry. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12. 2 and 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 82. Okay. Now again it is greater number than 60. So we have to divide it with 60. Okay. So let us divide it with 60. 82. Okay. Now again 60 ones are 60 and 62s are 120. So we have to take 60 ones are 60. Okay. 2 and 8 minus 6, 2. 1 will go as carry and 22 will come here as our answer for minutes. Okay. 22 and 1 will go as carry here. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. So here is our answer, 9 hours, 22 minutes and 3 seconds. Okay. So I hope you remember the concept that I told you in a previous topic, that if our sum comes greater than 60, okay, if it comes greater than 60, 61, 62, 65, 83, 165, 189, 264, like this. So we have to divide it with 60. We have to divide these digits with 60. Okay. But if it comes less than 60, then there is no need to divide it with 60. Okay. Now let us take our second example, that is we have to add 4 hours 59 minutes 49 seconds with 2 hours 38 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay. So again we have to start with seconds. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 will go as carry. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 74. So as you can see, it is greater than 60. So what we have to do? We have to divide it with 60. Okay. Now let us divide it. 60 ones are 60. Okay. Now 4 and 7 minus 6, 1, 14. We have to rub this and we have to write 14 here and 1 will go here as carry. Okay. Now add these. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 8 and 1 will go as carry. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9, 98. Again this is greater than 60. So divide it with 60. Okay. So let us divide it. 60 ones are 60. Okay. 8 and 9 minus 6, 3, 38. Okay. Now we have to rub this and we have to write here 38 and 1 will go here as carry. Okay. Now 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So we have our answer 7 hours, 38 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay. You have to add it and if it is greater than 60, divide it. Again you have to add this. If it is greater than 60, divide it. If it is not, then leave it as it is. Okay. Now let us take our third example. We have to add 1 hours 49 minutes and 35 seconds with 6 hours 52 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay. So let us first add these two. 9 plus 5, that is 14. 4 here and 1 will go as carry. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 74. Okay. So it is greater than 60. So divide it with 60. Yes. Now let's solve it roughly. 60 ones are 60, 4, 40. Okay. Now we have to rub this. Okay. And we have to write here 14 and 1 will go as carry and rub this carry also. Okay. After this. Now 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. 2 here and 1 will go as carry. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 102. So when we are adding two numbers, we have to write the whole sum here. Okay, if it is 102, we will write it whole 102. This 1 will not go here as carry. Okay, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. So 102, we have written it as whole. Okay, now we will divide it with 60. Okay. 102, if 60 2s are 120, again we have to divide it with 1. 60 ones are 60. 2 and 10 minus 6, 4. 42. Okay. So instead of 102, we have to write here 42. And 1 will go here as carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 hours, 42 minutes and 14 seconds is our answer. So let us revise it quickly. If you have to solve it, okay, if it is greater than 70, divide it with 60. If it is not greater than 60, leave it as it is, okay. Then move to this minutes column, okay. If there was 102, agar 102 aega, so then you do not have to take 1 here as carry, okay. Write the whole 102. If it is 242, write the whole 242 here as it is and then divide it with 60, okay. Then the remainder will come here and the quotient will go as carry, okay. Then you have to move to hours column and then add these three numbers and here you have the answer 8 hours 42 minutes and 14 seconds. Now we are moving to subtraction of hours, minutes and seconds, okay. So I hope you remember that in subtraction you have to just look at this number, okay, that whether it is greater than this number or it is smaller than this number, okay, just this. If it is greater than this number, you have to simply subtract it, but if it is smaller than this number, then you have to add 60 in it, okay. So now let us solve this question. As you can see, 53 is greater number than 20. Okay, so you can easily subtract 20 from 53. So 3 minus 0, 3, and 5 minus 2, 3, 33. Now, can you subtract 56 from 30? No, you cannot subtract, okay, because 30 is a smaller number. So what you have to do? You have to add 60 in it. You have to add 60 in 30, okay, then it will become 90. Now we have to subtract 56 from 90, okay, 10 minus 6, okay, we have to make it 10 and it will become 8. 10 minus 6, 4, okay, and 8 minus 5, that is 3, 34. And now come to the hours column. It has given it's 1 hour or 60 minutes to this one, and so that is why it will become 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Okay, so this is our answer, 5 hours 34 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay. Now let us take our next example, or we can say question. I am explaining or I am solving the questions from your exercise, that is 10.8. okay, so some questions I'll solve for you and some you have to do by yourself. Okay, so this is question number 2 of question number 2, subtract the following second one. Okay, now can we subtract 35 from 20? No, because 20 is smaller. So what we have to do? We have to add 60 in it. Okay, this will give its 1 to this. Okay, and it will become 60 plus 20, 80. Okay, now 80 minus 35. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5, and 7 minus 3, 4, 45. Now move to this. Okay, now this 55 has given 60 seconds to this. Okay, so it has become 80. Now we have to subtract 1 from it. Okay, 55 minus 1, that is 54. Okay, now we have to subtract 14 from 54. Okay, so we can easily subtract 14 from 54. Okay, so 4 minus 4, 0, and 5 minus 1, 4, 40. Okay, now move to this hours column, subtract 1 from it, 6 minus 3, 3. So it is 3 hours 40 minutes and 45 seconds. Now third one, 7 hours 20 minutes 15 seconds and 3 hours 45 minutes and 5 seconds. We have to subtract this. Okay, so can we subtract 5 from 15? Yes, we can easily subtract 5 from 15. Okay, so because 15 is bigger number. So 5 minus 5, 0, and 1 will come as it is 10. Okay, now can we subtract 45 from 20? No. So we have to borrow 1. So it will become plus 60, it will become 80. Okay, now yes, 10 minus 5, 5, and 7 minus 4, 3, 35. Okay, and it will become 6, 6 minus 3, 3. So 3 hours 35 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, so in this way we have to subtract. Okay, first you have to subtract from second column 15 minus 5 if the number is greater. So you have to simply subtract, but if it is smaller, then you have to borrow 60 seconds from 1 minute. Okay, then it will become plus 60. Okay, now if minutes column is, this one is the smaller, so again you have to first, अगर यहाँ पे भी छोटा है और यहाँ पे भी छोटा है, ओके, ध्यान से सुनो, अगर यहाँ पे भी छोटा है यहाँ पे भी छोटा है, इसने तो अपना 60 इसको दे दिया ना, ठीक है, इसके पास एक कम हो गया, तो 20 का कितना हो जाएगा 19. ओके, अब हम 45 को 19 से माइनस तो नहीं कर सकते, इसीलिए हमको उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा प्लस 60. अगेन यहाँ पे प्लस 60 करना है. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू विल राइट इन एग्जाम्स, व्हाट यू विल राइट, इफ इट इज लाइक दिस, ओके, 20 and 45. ओके, अगर आपको इसको 1 कम करना है, पहले यहाँ पे 19 लिखोगे. ओके, देन you will again add 60 in it and then you will write answer here. Okay, each and every step you have to write. Okay, do not rub anything. Okay, if you are subtracting 1 from it, write 19, and then if you are adding plus 60, and then write here 9, 6 plus 1, 79. Okay, and then you have to add 79 minus 45. Okay. So I hope, dear children, you must have understood the concept how we can subtract hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, the process is same, or the steps are same. The steps are same as we did in hours and minutes. But the only thing here is we have added or subtracted seconds also. Okay, so some questions I have solved on Blackboard of exercise 10.8. Okay, and some you have to do by yourself. Okay, you have to do practice. That is how you will learn how to solve the questions. Okay, practice is must. So do these questions in your copy. Okay, you have to do each and every question of exercise 10.8. Question number 1 of A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, and same for question number 2, A to F. You have to do in your copy. Okay.